Who's my ball friend? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see you come back. What you got? Huh? What you got? You don't play ball? Hmm?